Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm going to check our bird eggs again. Which one is the which one is okay. Here we go. Check again. Sorry to bother you. Sorry. So the way I'm going to check if it's fertile or not. How are you, baby? How are you, baby? I'm going to check your egg. So guys, here's the egg. So there is 6, but I'm going to check they are fertile or not. So it looks like there's 2 fertile. I'm sorry lady. Oh, so this is fertile guys. Ito ay fertile. So I'm going to remove the no, not this one. So I'm going to remove it. So this one, no, I think I'm going to throw. It looks like there's 2 only. Yeah. So guys, there's 2 fertile. So there you go. Oh my goodness, this one is almost. If turn black means it's going to fertile. Oh gosh, so they become 2 fertile. Oh my god, I thought there's 1 only. Okay, sorry. So now, yeah, lucky there's 2 fertile eggs soon to be hatched. So there you go. Sorry, I just wanna check because I'm excited again to have another baby bird badges. So ito yung kulungan ng aming baby maker. So here's the dad and the mom. She's inside the nest. Here you go. Bye. See you when the baby's hatched. When the egg is hatched. Have a nice day.